Winter is coming. Prepare for takeoff. The season brings its own set of challenges and delights. Winter travel can be magical. Think snow-capped mountains, cozy fireside evenings, and the serene beauty of a winter wonderland. It's a time when landscapes transform into picturesque scenes straight out of a postcard. But winter also brings the potential for travel headaches. Snowstorms can disrupt plans, causing delays and cancellations. Don't worry, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring a smooth journey. First, choose your flights wisely. Morning flights are less likely to be delayed due to the build-up of delays throughout the day. Avoid tight connections to give yourself a buffer. Give yourself plenty of time between flights. A relaxed layover can be a blessing, allowing you to stretch, eat, and prepare for the next leg of your journey. Before you even think about packing, know your rights. If your flight is cancelled by the airline, you're entitled to a full refund. This knowledge can save you a lot of stress and money. Don't settle for vouchers if you want cash. Insist on your rights and get the refund you deserve. Print out your airline's cancellation policy and keep it handy. Having this document can be a lifesaver in stressful situations. Also, familiarize yourself with your credit card's travel insurance benefits. You might be surprised at the coverage you already have, including trip cancellations, delays, and lost luggage. Now, let's talk packing strategy. Pack your essentials in your carry-on, not your checked bag. This ensures you have what you need, even if your checked luggage is delayed. This includes medications, chargers, snacks, and a warm layer. These items can make a big difference if you face unexpected delays. Delays happen and you don't want to be stuck without your must-haves. Being prepared can turn a frustrating delay into a manageable inconvenience. Finally, a little digital prep goes a long way. Download your airline's app. It's your best friend for real-time updates on delays, gate changes, and other important notifications. The app provides instant notifications, keeping you informed and reducing the stress of uncertainty. Have backup travel plans in mind. Consider alternative routes and transportation options. Where will you stay if your flight is cancelled? Research nearby hotels and have a plan in place. Knowing your options in advance reduces stress if things go wrong. Preparation is key to enjoying your winter travel adventure. It's travel day. Excitement is in the air, but so are the winter weather worries. First things first, check your flight status before you leave for the airport. Look at the weather forecast for both your departure and arrival cities. Give yourself extra time to get to the airport. Winter weather means potential traffic delays. Once you're at the airport, expect longer lines at security and check-in. Patience is your superpower today. Navigating airport staff can be tricky. Be polite but firm when talking to gate agents. They're dealing with a lot, but you deserve clear information. Don't be afraid to ask questions about delays, rebooking options, or your rights as a passenger. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, flights get delayed or even cancelled. It's an unfortunate reality of travel, especially during peak seasons or adverse weather conditions. It's frustrating, but don't panic. Take a deep breath and remember that there are steps you can take to manage the situation. The key is to act quickly and strategically. Time is of the essence when it comes to rebooking your flight. As soon as you hear about a cancellation, jump on the airline's app or website to rebook your flight. This can often be the fastest way to secure a new seat. Don't just rely on the app. Technology can sometimes fail or be slow during high-demand periods. Call the airline's hotline and head to the customer service desk if you're already at the airport. Speaking to a real person can sometimes yield better results. The more options you pursue simultaneously, the better your chances of getting rebooked quickly. Persistence is key. If you're stranded overnight, ask the airline for meal vouchers and hotel accommodations. These can help make an inconvenient situation a bit more bearable. They might not offer it up front, so it's important to ask. Being proactive can make a big difference. Remember, staying calm and focused will help you navigate this situation more effectively. Patience and a clear mind can turn a stressful event into a manageable one. Waiting in the airport is nobody's idea of a good time, especially when delays drag on. The frustration can build up quickly, making the experience even more unbearable. But there are ways to make the experience a little less painful and more manageable. First and foremost, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential. Airport air is notoriously dry, and dehydration can worsen travel fatigue, making you feel even more exhausted. Pack healthy snacks or grab a nutritious meal at the airport. Fresh fruits, nuts, and salads are great options. Avoid sugary treats and processed foods that will leave you feeling sluggish and low on energy. If you can, find a quiet corner away from the crowds. A peaceful spot can make a big difference. Noise-cancelling headphones or a good book can provide a welcome escape from the airport chaos. They help you create your own little bubble of calm. Remember, this delay is temporary. It won't last forever. Keep the bigger picture in mind. Think about the exciting journey ahead. Your priority is to reach your destination safely. That's what truly matters. Focus on that goal and try to find moments of peace amidst the chaos. Deep breaths and a positive mindset can go a long way. The essentials. Pack like a pro for winter travel. Packing for winter travel requires a bit more strategy. Layering is key. Pack thin, warm layers that you can easily adjust to changing temperatures on the plane and in different climates. A cozy scarf, hat, and gloves are essential for staying warm during cold weather layovers or unexpected outdoor waits. Don't forget your entertainment. A long flight delay is the perfect time to catch up on your reading list, listen to podcasts, or watch movies. Pack a portable charger for your devices so you don't run out of juice mid-flight or during a delay. Tech to the rescue, your digital travel toolkit. Technology can be a lifesaver during winter travel. We already talked about your airline's app, but there are other digital tools to have in your arsenal. Download offline maps of your destination. This ensures you can navigate even without Wi-Fi or data. A translation app can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language. Download a weather app that provides detailed forecasts and alerts, so you're prepared for any weather surprises. Staying human. Kindness and patience go a long way. Winter travel can test even the most seasoned travelers' patience. Remember that everyone is in the same boat. A little kindness goes a long way, whether it's offering a snack to a fellow passenger or simply smiling at an overworked gate agent. Deep breaths and a positive attitude can work wonders. Instead of focusing on the things you can't control, like the weather or delays, focus on what you can control. Make the most of your time, connect with your travel companions, and remember that this is all part of the adventure. You made it! Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the wild world of winter travel. Once you've reached your destination, take some time to recover from your journey. Hydrate, rest, and indulge in a delicious meal. You deserve it. Reflect on your travel experience. What worked well? What could have gone better? Every trip is a learning opportunity. By identifying areas for improvement, you'll be even more prepared for your next adventure. Lessons learned, turning travel trials into triumphs. Winter travel disruptions happen, but they don't have to ruin your trip. By embracing flexibility, packing smart, and utilizing technology, you can navigate the unexpected with grace and even a little humor. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the unexpected detours and challenges, and you'll return home with stories to tell and a newfound appreciation for the art of winter travel. Safe travels!